How to add your own custom song or music on your Instagram Reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your own music or Reels on songs or music on your Instagram Reels. So to do that, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account, and as you can see there's a plus icon over here, and from here simply click on the Reels section. And once you're inside the Reels section, you will see different option to select your videos like this. And as you can see, let me just show you an example. Let's say I want to add a different song or my customized music to this particular video. And when I click on this music section at the left, as you can see there is no song which I can add in my way, that is my custom song. These are all this predefined song which Instagram is suggesting me. So let's say if I want to add my own song, one particular song, what you can do is simply head over to any of your video editing application, and once you're inside your video editing application, simply click that particular video, and to add the music to that video, simply open the music that you like. Let's say I like this music. You can see hear it. So to use it, simply click on use like this and trim that particular music, and you can just simply save the video like this. And once it's saved, you can find it in your gallery, and again head back to your Instagram application, and again select the new video which you haven't uploaded or edited yet. So as you can see, there is new two different 6 seconds videos. So this is the one. Let me confirm it by playing the audio. As you can so as you can hear, the audio confirms it. So that is exactly how you can easily add your own custom song or music to on your Instagram Reels. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.